Art comes in several shapes, sizes, techniques, and materials. Customization is a main service provided by LS Art Consulting. Our wide array of capabilities and machinery makes creating custom artwork possibilities limitless for our clients. We're constantly elevating and reaching new potentials to further expand our limitless possibilities. A recent advancement in our artwork creation capabilities was purchasing our Augusta F150 CNC machine. This machine makes all of our custom artwork desires come true. We're highlighting 3 projects that heavily depended on our expert customization to come to life. One of the projects combined a variety of substrates to create multi-dimensional art panels that come together to form a striking focal art piece. This artwork evokes the natural beauty of desert dunes, autumn mountains, and lake waves, all within a single design. The rich colors of cork, burlap, midnight black, and warm gray seamlessly blend together, drawing on the harmonious tones found in nature. The orange clay hues in the cork and the gleaming black accents of faux snakeskin complement each other beautifully, reflecting the elemental palette of the earth. Another project showcased more unique CNC work by fabricating a rustic, steampunk-style matting for a frame. We carved wood and using bronze and gold paint hues, we embellished it to establish that certain rustic vibe. The gold in the mat expertly enhances the gold in the image we printed. We topped it off with a custom frame done by our expert framers. The last project we wanted to highlight is a large gold and teal oceanic and sand-inspired art piece. We carved repeating strikes into an eco-friendly substrate, then transformed it into a stunning teal. We then mixed and mixed to find the perfect shade of champagne gold that identically matches the color of the frame the client selected. Color theory takes confidence, lots of experimenting, and complete customization. Luckily, we've mastered all 3 of those. Together, the champagne-colored waves and the teal strikes join together to form a stunning oceanic-inspired art piece. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, check out the rest of our channel for more artfully inspiring videos just like this one. You can also visit our other social media pages found in the description. Stay inspired, stay limitless. Goodbye.